Hi, in this video we will see how does DATEDIFF function works in Tableau. So for that we have to create one calculation field. And then type date. Tableau will recommend you one function which is DATEDIFF, and we can see here the syntax of the DATEDIFF function, which is first is date part, but then start date and the end date. So I'll use date part as a then I'll take the start date as a order date, and then the end date I'll take the end date as a ship date. As you can see here, so what actually this formula or this function does. So uh, so as the name of formula suggests, date diff, which is date difference. So I used the date part as a day, and the start date as order date, and the end date as a ship date. So this function helps us to find the difference between these two dates according to the day. So if I click on apply, okay. So what I'll just do, I'll take the order ID and put on the rows shelf, and then I'll take the order date and I'll drop it onto the row shelf, and I'll make it as a exact date. It will take a while. And then click on discrete, and then take the ship date, drop it onto the row shelf, make it as a exact date, and then click on again on the drop down and select discrete. So if I take the date diff uh, field that I have just created and put on the and drop it onto the row shelf, and after that click on drop down on this DATEDIFF function and select discrete. So as we can see here, the this is the order ID, the order, and the order date it is the 7/6/2014, 7/9/2014, and the ship date is 3/9/2014. So we use date part as a day. So if we see the difference between the day of order day and the day of date ship, so it is 7, and the date of order date is 7, and the date of day of ship date is 13. So we can see the difference is 6, and so on. So if we can we see the difference between uh, this order ID. So it is the 26/12/2014, and the shipping date is it 13/12/2014. So difference between these two days is 4. So this is how we can use the DATEDIFF function. So basically it is used to find the difference between two dates, which is the as a start date and the end date. So I used start date as the order date and the end date as a ship date. So this is how we can use the DATEDIFF function in Tableau. And thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.